Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading orders from Ecwid to the Wrike Task Manager. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new orders from Ecwid to other systems. For example, in Wrike you can create new tasks, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to setting. First you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Ecwid data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get orders, new. Then you need to connect your Ecwid account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the login and password of the Ecwid personal account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Ecwid system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this point you see one of the Ecwid orders. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Ecwid data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select Wrike as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Create task. At this point you need to connect your Wrike account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your personal Wrike account. Next, you need to grant permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your Wrike. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. First you need to select a folder in which new tasks will be created for each new order from Ecwid. Next, you need to select the type of task. Next you see the Wrike fields that you need to fill in to create a new task. You can assign variables from Ecwid to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. Don't forget to choose importance. To go to the next line, use Enter. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Wrike as new tasks for each new order from Ecwid. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Wrike. After a successful submission, go to Wrike and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue the configuration. This completes the Wrike data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.